Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome to this video. Today I show you a step by step how to deploy an Astro React project using PNPM and the node adapter. Let's go. You can check your versions in the terminal. Type node-v to see your node version and pnpm-v to see your pnpm version. In the case, I'll be using node version 22 and pnpm version 10. You also need a GitHub account and a Broadway account. Now let's update our Astro config. We set the output to server, use the node adapter. Make sure the server host 0.0.0.0 with the part coming from the environment variable. In package.json we add our scripts. Well, with Astro and start by running, note this server entry.mgs. This will allow Railway to boot our project correctly. Next, commit your changes and push the project to GitHub. Railway will connect directly with your repository. Now go to your Railway dashboard. Click on the new button and choose the new project. Select Deploy from GitHub repo and connect your Astro React repository. This will create a brand new project inside Railway. We wait a bit until the connection is established. We're going to do some configuration steps in Railway. First, go to settings and scroll down to the option to generate a domain, use part 8080 and click on generate domain. Next, go to the build section and make sure you're using Nixbox. Add the following command in the build option, and finally in the deploy section add one more command. I'll leave these commands in the video description. Now, let's go to the variables section and add the following. The first is host is 0.0.0.0. The next is node amp, and node amp is prediction. Don't forget prediction. And the last variable is npm config prediction. npm config prediction is false. Finally, use clear deploy button and wait for the container finish building your application. Congratulations, your project has been successfully deployed. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching video. If it helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, just write in the comment box. I'll be happy to help you. Also, don't forget to follow me on my social media. See ya in the next video.